Hello dear friends. On this video I want to show you how to create a new user in Linux. The first command is sudo user add create home username. This command will create your new user. You can set a password for your user by command sudo password username. And finally you set your user as a super user by command sudo usermod ag sudo username. It's done, and you can now sign into your new user. Thank you for watching this video. Please like it this video was helpful and subscribe the channel may you need it later.